Blacktail offers spacious sleeping areas for a pair or family of campers. Easy access through 2 side entry doors and vestibules make climbing over your tent mate for an early morning bathroom run a thing of the past. The Blacktail 2, 3, and 4-person tents feature a lightweight aluminum pole system with press-fit connectors and a symmetrical pole structure for simple setup. Plastic clips easily attach tent body securely to the frame. 2 doors and 2 vestibules provide easy access to either side of the tent, as well as superior cross ventilation through breathable polyester and mesh tent body. Media pockets located above the sleep area provide clean headphone routing for phones and other devices. The combination polyester and breathable mesh provides both privacy and stargazing transparency. The Blacktail series comes with color-coded webbing and buckles, and a footprint is included. These shelters are an excellent value for the entry-level backpacker or anyone who wants a super comfortable tent on the trail.
MSR's Hubba Hubba NX 2-person tent is fast and easy to set up, thanks to its freestanding design and unified poles. The tent comes with everything you need for the standard setup. An optional footprint can help keep the tent floor clean, dry, and protected from abrasion. To set up your Hubba Hubba tent, spread the tent out. If you're using an optional footprint, place it under the tent body. Stake out the 4 corners tightly. Next, assemble the poles, being careful not to let the pole ends snap together. Insert the tips of the hub poles into the grommets at all 4 corners of the tent. Then, insert the short ridge pole into the 2 grommets at the midpoint of the tent's canopy. Attach the clips on the tent body to the poles. Lay the rainfly over the tent with the darker side of the logo facing down. Align the red vestibules with the doors on the tent body. Attach the stake loops to the poles at each corner of the tent. Attach the rainfly's midpoint grommets to the ridge pole. Stretch out the vestibules until taut and stake them down, aligning the seams with the frame. Then tighten the webbing at all stakeout points. Always remember to stake down your tent and use additional guy cords or stakes as needed. Adjust the rainfly and vestibules to keep your tent tight and weatherproof. Opening vents, rolling up the vestibule, or rolling back the rainfly can minimize condensation and improve airflow. All Hubba NX series tents can be set up in a fast and light mode using the rainfly, poles, and the optional fast and light body, sold separately. For extra storage, the Hubba Gear Shed doubles the storage space for the Hubba and Hubba Hubba models. After your trip, completely dry your tent and store it uncompressed in a cool, dry space to help prolong its life.
It doesn't matter. We've had our thick and thin, enough to know that I would rather not go through life without you. And in the end, I'm just glad we're friends. And in the end, I'm just glad we're friends.
facing beautiful, warm weather or some of the worst storms, the Mesa Canvas tent will still be standing while you prep for your next hunting trip or family adventure. This tent was thoughtfully designed by hunting enthusiasts and scores of family campers who spend months out in the backcountry in the snow, rain, and blazing sun. Their feedback led to a tent that has everything you need to fit your outdoor experience. The Mesa Canvas tents come in two different sizes, the 10 foot by 10 foot and the 10 foot by 14 foot. They include all the great comforts of a canvas tent, like better breathability, water resistance, and a sturdy structure. But these tents are also ready for high-tech camping, with 2 zippered E-ports for running power to lights, fans, or electric heaters from your generator or solar panel. You can hook your solar panels right to the awning to run power straight into either side of the tent. Made of natural fibers, these tents are breathable but warm. They're perfect for year-round use. The treated cotton canvas keeps the water out of the tent, even if you bump a wall or the ceiling in a downpour. The single-person setup is fast and easy, with see-through T-pull assembly to ensure the tent is pitched properly, and a strong flex bar support that will hold your tent up, even in high winds or snowstorms. We designed this tent with extra wide doors that allow you to move your camp furniture in and out of the tent with ease. They have screens made of no-seam mesh to keep even the smallest of pests at bay. The SBS zippers are built to perform in rain, shine, or even snowstorms, with cold finger pulls that are easy to open or close even if you're wearing gloves. All corners and seams are reinforced for added strength, and the offset stitching on the binding layer prevents leaking at ground level. Added features also include 6 hanging organizers, 2 large pocket, 2 multi-pocket, and 2 gear lofts, each with a drawstring to stabilize your above-the-head gear. Multiple gear ties are also available for storing any extra gear. The tent comes with its own pole bag, stake bag, and roll and cinch storage bag. So pack up and get ready to go stake out your next adventure. The Mesa Canvas tents, like all Teton Sports products, comes with our limited lifetime warranty, which is our promise that you can count on us. If you ever have any issues, please reach out to our awesome customer service team and we'll get you back outdoors and on the trail.
The Coleman Coastline Plus is an easy-to-pitch tunnel tent perfect for touring campers or weekend trips. The Coastline Plus has a 3-pole tunnel construction that's incredibly quick and simple to pitch, leaving you with more time to relax and enjoy your break. Inside, the tent's design makes optimum use of space, providing a large sleeping area as well as plenty of room to store camping equipment. A stable structure and lightweight yet strong fiberglass poles ensure the Coastline Plus can withstand high winds, and the durable polyester flysheet has a 3,000mm hydrostatic head and tape seams to keep even the worst of the weather out. Inner bedrooms are made from breathable polyester and fine no-seam mesh, providing effective ventilation while also keeping the smallest bugs at bay. The Coastline Plus fabrics are also fire retardant for greater peace of mind. The ground sheet has raised sides and is made from strong PE, offering protection from the rain, yet can also be removed and stored separately when wet or muddy, offering increased convenience when packing away the tent. In warmer weather, the porch ground sheet can be removed to allow maximum airflow through the tent. For additional ventilation inside the tent, the Coastline Plus features adjustable air vents that can be easily opened and closed. The Coastline Plus features 3 doors in the living area, providing easy access to the outdoor world as well as maximum pitching convenience. PVC windows allow plenty of natural light to enter the tent and give those inside greater visibility of the outside world. Thanks to the additional porch poles, you can create a sheltered outdoor space. The Coastline Plus can be quickly pitched in around 10 minutes, thanks to the simple 3-pole tunnel construction. Roll out the tent's fly sheet. Assemble the fiberglass poles, then push them through the relevant color-coded pole sleeves. Insert the pole ends into the fly sheet eyelets to form the roof arches. Peg out the back of the tent, pegging at 45 degrees for maximum resistance, then pull the tent forward and peg out the front. Clip the fly sheet to the poles and peg out the rest of the tent. Attach the bedroom using the color-coded toggles to assist with positioning. Toggle the riser ground sheet to the fly sheet and peg the corners. The Coastline Plus from Coleman, the ideal camping companion.